We are starting this month on a high note with an exciting number of one-shot ice cream pod dispensers going out to key accounts for upcharge programs. If you are an Australian key account interested in discussing this highly exciting opportunity further, here we are ready to rock and roll. Plus, we have an exciting deal in mind that you would find rather hard to refuse. Big names have already adopted one-shot around the world. It's all game-changing stuff, and within no time at all, you're in the ice cream business. Our one-shot pod dispensers require no sanitizing. They're uncomplicated and they have unbelievably low operational costs. Our mission is to liberate the world from the soft-serve ice cream sanitizing process. And with nearly 2 billion global portions dispensed, we're doing a pretty good job. Operationally, one-shot is somewhat similar to a Nespresso or an American Keurig coffee pod machine, but instead of coffee, you can serve a delicious real ice cream product made here in Australia. And you know how global coffee pod machines have gone. It is that simple to operate. What are you waiting for? You really don't want to miss out on this opportunity. And give us a call on our hotline number.